Right, it's a long time coming, but it's a new cooking with chicken dog. What are we eating? Right, this is what you need. Bowl, maybe salsa, garlic, butter, ham, crumpets, cheese. Cut up the crumpets. Arrange thus. Yum. Prep the garlic. Crush the garlic. Stick the garlic in your saucepan. Butter. In she goes. Stir it. Making your garlic butter. Okay, so you're gonna pour your garlic butter. Cheese. Mixing this up with a bit of salsa. Ham. Bit more cheese. Gourmet. Look at us go. Right. 180 into the oven. And there you go. 12 minutes, 180 degrees. Ooh. Okay. We're in. Chicken dog will enjoy this. Lots of peeling, doesn't it? There we go, that'll do us. Cool. And all done. Leave it for a couple of minutes and it'll firm up. There you go. Cooked with chicken dog.